Yeah, good day. This Dexter for Internet Well Secret. So in today's reviews, we have this new product to be launched today on VidSpark. It's called UploadBucks. Right? So basically, UploadBucks is a kind of how you can actually upload other people's videos into to your YouTube channel, right? You don't have to create your own video. You don't have to record your own video, but just take other people's video and upload to your YouTube channel and just place the video link, and you are actually on your way to make $59 over and over again. So in these reviews, this is a product here, right? So this is a cloud app, and you can make easy case of 59 over and over again, right? As is stated in the sales page also, right? Okay. So this some of testimonial here, and how these people's they are day ones how this on the 23 have been met, and day 2 earning, and this day 3 earning, and day 4 earning, and this is day 5 earning. And so all these videos is from other people's videos in a different natures, right? So what you need to do, you need to take the video and upload to the YouTube channel, right? And this is how you can do it in the 3 simple steps here. By the UploadBucks. This is a software I'm going to show you later. You can sign up, register account on the software with the email, right? And next thing is in one simple click, generate traffic for Instagram page with no effort at all, right? Right. So this is 3 step here, basically how it do, and what's the cost of this UploadBucks fund is $19. The OTO1, OTO2, right? This is unlimited here. This is all done from you, right? And this autopilot here. And the instant traffic, this is a traffic on tap, and this is a franchise and multiple income. So this is the upgrade version of this. So the fund is just $19, right? Okay. Some of the key benefit here I have summarized. This is what they have also stated in the sales page to say over 150K have been met by using this software, and this is legal and ethical, and it just need 3 clicks and 2 minutes to get start making money. The more video you upload, getting more 59. Every video will be getting 59 payments, right? So it work on any computer and phone, tablet, and this is zero hidden, and this is 365 day money back guarantee. So this claim to say they will pay you back if you actually didn't make any money out of this method. So basically, I summarize this UploadBucks reviews, ease of use, ease of implements, training video, product quality overall, and my recommendation, this could be the easier way to make some quick cash online without too much effort, right? As you just need to take the video and upload them to your YouTube channel. You have to fill up the description with the affiliate link, right? For one time flies from $19. This is worth trying, right? So you don't have to do a lot of hassle thing. You don't have to create your own website, have to create your own sales page, things like that, and you don't have to update the content to your site, and you don't have to create your own sales funnel whatsoever. I have set up your autoresponder. Nothing has to be done like this, right? So everything is all done from you. You just need to take the video and upload to the YouTube channel and start making money, right? As simple as that. And so these are some special early bird bonus I prepare for you. So if you buy the front end and any of the OTO here, you're entitled to get my 2 special bonus here. This is on product, they buy money, this 50,000 make money on that subscriber. You can input into your auto dashboard. This is another. Next one is 6,000 PLR ebook and video. We can resell as on product, give it away as a bonus and demand. So this is if you buy the front end or any other OTO, just email me proof of the purchase, right? I'm actually going to send you all this bonus, right? Okay, so if you just want to buy the front end, it's only $19. You're going to get a lot of bonuses from me: web design agency, Turnkey business kit, right? Video agency, Turnkey business kit, right? And also SEO Turnkey business kit. It's the three really huge bonuses here. Really high quality business kit I prepared for you. You're going to get my Snapishop, the first and only smart cloud-based e-com store builder. And also this is 250k. This is a funnels builder, and I have also video hub. This you can start your own video subscription platform and charge customer monthly, providing collection of video training. So you may want to also use this platform to actually monetize from the video, right? And I have a YouTube video to WordPress post plugin allow users to import video to WordPress in the easiest possible way. And next one is a VidSpark, is a powerful video creation app, right? You can actually use it to create any video, and I have the 4000 HD stock video in niche of motivation. So you may want to also make use of my collection of video to actually to increase your content engagement of your YouTube channel, and you may also use my video to actually promote any of the affiliate related to this niche: motivation, fitness, yoga, cooking. I have actually 250 high quality videos here. You can use it to for your different purpose, for your YouTube channels, video content for your blog and whatsoever. And audio visit is another cool app. You can actually use it to create your own order track. And there's a couple of there's many bonuses I prepared for you with regard to actually how to get better conversion, to get more lead and sale, right? And this is how to double or triple sale on your website. And YouTube hack 2021, the trick to run your YouTube channel. This is a free traffic sources, right? And email search, how to increase. This is a SaaS app to increase your email click and CTR, and traffic cloud app drive free traffic from TikTok, and Chrome plugin to drive free targeted TikTok traffic, and Chrome plugin to drive this targeted Instagram traffic. And also I have put together top 6 underground traffic sources for your website. Again, there's other bonuses here. Our best affiliate software, you can decide to keep 100% of the profit. BotEngage here, and also our digital cloud app to create, distribute, and manage hyper interactive content. So okay, so that's it. And as SEO tool on the cloud app, you can give unfair to optimize your blog site SEO and YouTube channel SEO. And this is how to make money on the video. You're selling anything. This is a secret thing I'm going to share with you. And high ticket system, learn how to sell high ticket product and make high ticket commission. And again, 100K want to build your list is a lead magnet. And again, I have a last really huge bonus giveaway consisting of 80 top products from famous marketer, Armstrong Brandon, and over 100 high quality software plug-in tablet which can scale your business, right? So you can preview the bonuses here, right? Okay, right. So all the bonuses it can be downloaded from the BuyUploadBucks member area upon your purchase, right? So you can preview the software bundle here: 3,000 email swap, email marketing video training course, and over 100 traffic software, and also there's 80 hot product from the top marketer I've actually bundled together here. So everything is only for $19, right? You're going to get all these 300 plus bonuses, right? I think this is cost me over 10,000 word bonus I put together here for your benefit, right? Okay, right. So have a look into the UploadBucks. They have a sales page here. Have a look into this. A sales page of the UploadBucks is set. There's a 338.2 billion YouTube algorithm, right? So this is actually to tap on the YouTube algorithm to pay you $59 over and over again for uploading other people's video, right? So this so-called trick he be exposing to you how you can do this, right? Okay, so this is some of the testimonial, and do feel free to go through. What I want to quickly show to you is the member area is look like this, right? So what you need to do is dashboard here. Okay, click on the dashboard, so click on this account setting. So you can do account setting here, right? Okay, so you can set your account here, account setting, update account setting. Is a video here to do the account setting here, and just go back here. Also, there is other thing like other setting is the other setting you need to do is you need to set your affiliates ID, right? Okay, so there's one-time setting also you need to do, right? So it's a bit slower here, the internet. Wait for it to load in this overview, right? Okay, so this is overview, and this is setting. It's the affiliate setting. You need to set the affiliate's ID here, ClickBank ID. So this is actually is going to tap on the affiliate's product from the ClickBank. You can actually update your ClickBank ID here. Very simple. So go back here. So let's go to the next one. This is all done already. Okay, need any help? Contact support, right? So there's upgrade here. This is for the upgrade unlimited from you. This is optional here, right? Okay, so there are some of here. This is a bonuses, social media image library by them now. So you can get all your bonuses here, right? And so other things is that they come with the email suite also, right? So this is a newsletter. You can there's a built-in autoresponder. You can something like whenever I get a response, you can use it to create a newsletter, right? Okay, and you can create your opt-in form also. Just now I see something newsletter sign up form, contact list. This is itself is autoresponder by itself, right? Okay, then the next thing is view campaign. You can view the campaigns, right? Okay. So these are some of the preloaded campaigns have been done for me. Example like in this, so this is just click inside here, affiliates marketing, view the campaign here. So this is these are some of the done for you video. These other people's video, you can actually download. So you can download all this video here. There's a download button here, and you can upload to your YouTube channel, right? Okay. Then again, for each video you upload, you can actually choose the affiliate link here and put it into the description of the YouTube video. Then you can start monetize from there, right? Okay, so this is basically how you do. Very simple. There is no complicated step here, right? So just come in here based on the niche you want to do it, right? So all the videos all ready for you. You just need to update. You just need to download and upload to the YouTube channel, right? And also copy and paste the affiliate link inside, right? And start monetize from the videos, right? Because this is these are the videos specially chosen video, which I think they will also get a lot of traction from, and also with this traction from the video, you are able to get a lot of dancers of traffic to actually to come into the video and they may start buying from you through the affiliate. So this is basically what you do about the UploadBucks. Very simple thing, right? Nothing to the no learning curve at all, right? Okay, so this is basically what you do, right? So all as simple as that. Let's go back to the different campaigns you have. So the campaign you have crypto, stop investing software, art, graphic, fitness schemes. You see what niche you want, right? You can just choose accordingly. So there's a video tutorial here, but this demo, I think when I do the demo, the video is still not ready. Okay, the video is all here ready. Okay, so you can actually getting started account affiliate setting, traffic site, email links, campaigns, everything. All the video we actually explain to you how you can do this different things here, right? So yeah, simple thing to do, and as I said in the sales page itself, there's a I think there's it said there's a potentially you will make $59 over and over again for uploading other people's. So there must be something here. I think you are able to achieve this, right? So let's give yourself a try, and this is only $19 for the front end, right? and we all my bonus bundle definitely is a worth trying things, a very simple way to make money. You don't have to cracking your head, right? So that's it for my review today. So jump on it right now, and all my bonus bundles all here for you, right? And the Tech File section is only for the first 30 lucky person, right? I'm sure this you should give yourself a try, right? It's the simplest way to make money online. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.